What up, guys? CP the Tool Addict. Woo! Look at that, good. It's just a beautiful day. I mean, look at this sky. Don't you just love it? Henry, where are you going? You little rascal. Thought we'd do a little tool review out here today. Got a couple items in the mail, but one item I'm testing still, actually. I've had this one for a little bit. And if you guys watch Chris over at No Nonsense Know How, you might know this name. Let me know in the comment box if you do know, because this is pretty awesome. And I'm actually fairly impressed with this so far. But today's tool haul is something green. What could it be? What could it be, CP? Let's take a look. Well, with all this beautiful natural lighting, I couldn't help pass up the opportunity to do this video outside here. So we are going to look at the Toptul 45-piece professional grade socket set. You guys are going to love it. Hopefully I don't get interrupted with anything too loud, but we're going to look at this set. Henry's going to show us. Henry, can you show us this set? Yeah, you can. Come on, buddy. Anyways, we're going to look at this set out here in the nice open cool air. And this is the Toptul set right here. And this is also ANSI DIN CRV chrome vanadium S2 steel. There's all the specs and everything on it. Alloy, ANSI DIN, blah, blah, blah. You know, all the good stuff. And it's a quality tool, because that's why it's on my channel. But this case is extraordinary. I love this little latch. Super smooth, super easy, well engineered case. Let me just give you a little dance around the tour, because I've been waiting for this case for I've been waiting for this set for a long time. But let's open it up and just get right into the meat and potatoes of it. Now this set has some extraordinarily awesome features. Now,
come on, Daddy, just get a handful for me, please.
Some of you might say that if you've seen the Icon set, you would say this is similar. And this has got a little bit of difference to it, and as far as quality and whatnot, too. I believe this is made in Taiwan, not China as well. Which I don't know if the Icon is made in China or Taiwan, but because it's Harbor Freight, I'm going to assume that it's made in Taiwan or China. Now, you're going to notice that it has all your bits right here for your tamper-proof torques. Has your smallers. This has got some micro bit functions. T9, and your smallest is a T6, which is, believe it or not, one of the ones I use a lot. So it's almost on the verge of being a micro bit set, but you have your Allen bits up to 8mm, and your smaller ones are going to go down to, look at that beautiful Toptul, down to 2mm. As far as your tamper-proof torques, the lowest your tamper-proof is going to go down to is going to be a T10. Obviously for strength and durability purposes. It comes with your posi drives right there in a 1, 2, and 3. It has an extension with a number 2 Phillips bit there. Goes all the way up to 14mm down to 5.5. Comes with standard Phillips bits right there, 1, 2, and 3. Some Robinsons. An adapter for your sockets, and then all of your flat tips if you need. So this is a pretty comprehensive microbit set that really fits the mold, but it also steps up the game with a few more sweet features.
Oh yeah, there you go.
Starting with the extension with a very positive engaged magnetic drive. This thing is fantastic, let me tell you. I mean, it really fits the mold as being a strong magnet. I'm not sure if I can pick up. Not going to be so magnetic that it's going to take away that, but see if it'll pick up a bit. Might need to do a little bit more magnetization on the bit. But the extension itself has some very nice engraving. This is not laser etched in here, guys. This is all cut in. Toptul is a manufacturer in Taiwan, and if you don't know, my channel has been definitely talking about Toptul because they are a manufacturer and they do build great tools. This extension paired with this ratchet actually turns it into a super dynamic dual. And if you'll notice this white dot right here, that is so that you can line those up, and this extension becomes a bit extension, but it also becomes a shorter bit extension, and it also becomes a T-handle driver, especially if you want to get some torque on there. But you think that's it? No, sir. That's not it. Not only is it a bit extension, a T driver, and it has flexibility with locking feature and reversible, along with a knurled thumb wheel. We don't stop there. We've got plenty more. We're not even done yet. This thing is so packed with features, it will blow your mind.
Ow! You're hurting me!
We'll take the extension back out here, add it to the tip here, and now we have an extension for the bit ratchet if you need to do so by adding in, let's say you have a socket. Oh, and one more thing. The bits themselves are not cut so that they'll slide through. So you can actually apply pressure right here in the back of this and use it to get down on it with the force needed to break something through. We'll add our beautifully satin finish socket. These sockets are absolutely incredible. And now we have an extension. We can actually get some good leverage on it to get break free 14 millimeter if we had to. These sockets are beautiful. The bits are beautiful. This whole set is beautiful, but we're not done yet, because if we had to, and we've got the extension right here, we can turn this into a little bit of a screwdriver by flipping the handle down, and now we can get a little bit of leverage by hooking your finger on and actually make this a screwdriver. And with the little bit of gripping that we have here, we can actually get some screwdriver action out of this in some sort of sense. In fact, you could add this on if you wanted to make it a little bit, but it does give you a little bit to make it a full-length screwdriver to get down in there. But that's not even the best part. Let's say we needed to get down in there to turn a socket on. Add your socket to it, 13 millimeter, boom, shakalaka, and now you can get a 13 millimeter down in a deep spot to get it started for an extension. This kit is so versatile. There's so many uses. This is the best thing to have in any vehicle, have in any motorcycle. I'll tell you what, this is an absolutely amazing tool for motorcycle, camping. This is one of the greatest kits, in fact, I have ever seen, ever made. And actually, Dean Tools was probably the first one. It's Chris Koss, the tool aficionado, was the one that turned me on to a set like this. And I have actually been hunting for a set like this for 2 years to be of this magnitude. This is absolutely the mecca of bit sets. The greatest bit set on the planet to date, in my opinion. Some people might be in agreement with me on that, but as far as versatility and the abilities that you have with it, the thumb wheel on it, the knurled thumb wheel, just really gives it some really positive traction there for you to do some ratcheting on it. The magnetic in here for the insert for adding in, you could even put a bit in here in this end of it. I mean, it's just genius how it's built. You know, you can make that a little bit driver too. But anyways, guys, I'm going to stop hemming and hawing. This is a great bit set that I've been looking to do for a long time. The Toptul professional toolkit, and 45 pieces makes this the ultimate bit driver set. I will put a link in the description for this to the Amazon account where I bought this from. I did not buy this from my Toptul dealer because he did not have this, and I wanted it, and I was tired of waiting. So anyways, guys, appreciate you watching. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. Ring that bell. Remember, keep your hands dirty and your money clean. Thanks for watching.